Hello, I'm Gary Briggs of Bloodline Bowfishing, and in this video we're going to be testing the Archenemy 50-watt warm white bowfishing LED from Bass Pro Shops. This happens to be the 110-volt model. I've had a handful of people inquire about this light over the last couple years, and I was by Bass Pro Shops yesterday, stopped in and picked one up. It was $100. With taxes, my price was $108.24. So when you start getting into the $100 price point, we're not talking about budget anything. This we have to put up against the likes of Custom Fits, Sea Light, Arrow LED, and 5-star. Now we're talking bow fishing specific lights at a premium price. So we really can't compare this to a Veugram. It's just not fair. So first and foremost, kudos to whoever packaged this light. This light is packaged very well. That's always a biggie for me. I want to know that the light has been protected when it's been shipped from wherever the hell it's been made. So they packaged the shit out of these lights. That's awesome right there. So if you'll bear with me for a minute, I'll get it out of the box and we'll take a closer look at it. Okay, through the magic of film editing, we are back. I can tell you that this light is very, very, very well made. It's quite heavy. The weight of the light speaks to quality. You want the mass of the aluminum to get the heat out of the light so they don't overheat. Heat is the enemy of LEDs. So the light itself is heavy for a 50 watt. If we're looking at the back side, you can see how deep those cooling fins are. They're thick and they're deep, and then check out that bracket. Nearly a 1/4 inch thick, by far the heaviest bracket I've seen on any bow fishing LED, period. The light is very well constructed, but, and it's a big but, this is the older technology. If we had to compare this to something, we would compare it to the Custom Fits or the Sea Lights that were quite popular 3 or 4 years ago. Now those companies have phased those out and have gone to a newer technology. So this will be interesting to see what the test tells us. But the light is very, very, very well made. I can say that. On the jig we have the Archenemy 3100 Kelvin 50 watt warm white LED from Bass Pro Shops. There she is in all her glory. It's got a pretty pleasant color. I will let it warm up a bit and then take a reading. Number 1 is reading 500 lux. Lux meter number 2 is reading 495-ish lux. We will go with 500 lux. We are pulling 119.3 volts, 119.3. Okay, the Archenemy is pulling 0.41 amps. Let's do a little math. 119.3 volts times 0.41 amps equals 48.91 watts. 500 lux divided by 48.91 watts equals 10.22 lux per watt efficiency, pardon me. Now, if memory serves me correctly, these numbers are very similar to the Ledmo. Okay, I've added the Archenemy to the board, 500 lux, 10.22 lux per watt. The only thing up there that you can really compare it to is the Ledmo 50 watt, 574 lux, 10 lux per watt. But it is not nearly as efficient as any of the other modern LEDs that I've been testing recently. So let's address the question that I'm inevitably going to get. Is this light worth $100? And the answer is, that is not for me to decide, that is for you to decide. Let's just discuss what we can speak to objectively. So in terms of a $100 light, it is insufficiently bright. What we can compare it to that is currently available is the Ledmo. Similar efficiency, similar brightness. However, the Ledmo is 1/4 the price. In terms of quality, it is every bit as well built as a Sea Light or an Arrow. So in that regard, it is worth $100. But it is older technology that you just don't see these days in the best bow fishing lights. And far be it from me to talk shit on anything Bass Pro does. They're one of the best companies out there. They support the hell out of bow fishing, so let's try and support them. With all that being said, thank you for watching the video. Please head over to Bloodline Bowfishing TV. Let's join the BAA, the Protect the Rights as Bow Fishermen, and as always, please wear your personal flotation devices when you're on the water. Thank you.